Yo, it's Dapper Nez. Drop another review on y'all. And this time, what we're going to be doing a review of is the BAM. Another generic item, but this is the Greewe Smart Plug. The reason why I like this is because this is already Alexa ready. So I like the fact that this will work with your Alexa. You don't need to pair this with a smart bridge. You just connect it to the Wi-Fi and bung, Alexa will work with this. So that's what they're claiming, but we will find out. The other main reason why I like this is because not only is it a regular plug, but it also has a USB port, so you can control two devices. And I bought this specifically because I'm going to be making floating shelves in my bar, and I got these LED lights that can go around them, and I need the port for that because they don't have a plug. But you can plug them in with a USB port because I got the ones that you're supposed to use in a car. And the reason why I got the car ones for inside is because they have a strip, and two, because they're sound activated. So when I play music, they'll dance and move to the light. So how cool would that be to have my bar shelves, flickering to the beat of the music? But that's going to be a whole nother review. Probably next after this, those lights. Now we're into this. So this is the front of the box right here. There goes your barcode. Bang. Like everything else, made in China. Side of the box right there, very generic. App controlled, Wi-Fi controlled. Back of the box, that's US right there. Some more things that showing you that you can control right there. And then you got your FCC crap. Got a barcode, you can scan that. It should take you to their social media. And control devices from anywhere with your phone, iOS, Android compatible. Alright, so let's get into it. Bang. Open up the box. Nothing else in the box right there. You got your socket and you got your literature. Alright. Bang. I'll let you pause that and read it for yourself. Alright, so that's that. And here goes the device right here. Got a power button right there. It's nice and clicky. That's what the front looks like. You got the side right there. And imagine that right there might be your microphone. So, like I said, you can be controlled with Alexa. So I'm assuming either that's a microphone or maybe that's just a light. You'll see a light come through there, so you know that there's power to it. Yeah, I believe that's probably most likely what it is, because you wouldn't be calling out Alexa to this. It doesn't have Alexa built in. It just Alexa can control it, connect and control this. So, like I said, you got your USB right there. Got your FCC crap on the back there. Nothing else going all around it. It's a white shiny. I like it. Ordinarily be a fingerprint magnet, but because it's white, you don't really see it that much. So I like that. I just wish they had shipped it with like some kind of plastic over it, because it is scuffed, because it's just been this inside of a cardboard box, and imagine that box got banged around a little bit. But it's not scratched or anything. It's just little smudges and stuff on them that looks like I'm able to wipe off. You could barely even see them. But alright, so let's plug this bad boy in, see what we're working with here. So when you plug it in, okay, it is an LED light. As you can see, it's lighting up right there. You see it's flashing. So per the instructions, I have to scan the barcode there, and it's supposed to take me directly to the app. So let's scan the barcode. Okay. Alright, just take me to the QR code again. So that's not doing me any good. I need the app. So let's try scanning the one on the box and see if the one on the box is better. Unless, I think the one in the box is going to take me to social media. Nope, it takes me to the same page. That's weird. Is there a link here somewhere? Already, that's a fail. Because it's taking me to... Let me screenshot this. Oh, there we go. Okay, so when I flip the phone upright, then it shows the download button, which is unusual. So I'm just going to go ahead and use Chrome to download it. This file can blah, blah, blah. There's your normal, message there. I'm going to go ahead and do it. Let's see. Okay. It is, as you could see right there, it is in fact downloading. So I'm going to go ahead and let that download, and then we're going to install it. Okay, that's definitely a pretty large app because it took a while to download. So, and I doubt I doubt it was my internet speed because I got the 150. So, I should, something like that definitely shouldn't have taken that long to download. Let's see. Come out of there. Get back to... Huh, that's weird, it went away. Let me go to my files. I might have to hit the install again. Oh, it's still installing. Or no, it's installing now, which is weird. I think it should have already installed. Or maybe it did and I just didn't catch it. So it's installing again. Boom. Oh, it went out. So now I gotta go to the file. Totally Smart right there. That's what she looks like. That's the app looks like. Okay, let's register real quick. Okay, so now that we're all registered up, this screen that we're presented with, letting you know that you hit there to add a device, and then you either hit the plus or you can hit the add devices. And this thing right here is still flashing, as you can see, if it would stay sitting up. This is weird that it won't stay sitting up. Alright, now it's staying sitting up. Let's focus in on that. Alright, so add device, electrical outlet, confirm rapidly, power on the device, and confirm that the indicator light is blinking rapidly. It is. Enter Wi-Fi password. So let me do that. Okay, so now it's going to be connecting. Make sure your phone and device are as close to your router as possible. My router is not far from it. It's not blinking anymore, as you see. So I imagine now it's just a solid blue. And it's blazing through. Bong! Look at that. Got the plug going on there. So now I'm going to go ahead and rename it. This is going to be the one for my bar. I'm going to put bar outlet. Bar outlet. Bong. Just like that. Confirm. Bam. Bar outlet. So we're all done. So now it's showing that the socket is off. So now the socket is on. As you can see there. off. So you hear the little click. Let me bring it up close so you can hear the click. Simple as that. Now, let's get this connected to Alexa and see how well she works. Let's see if I can figure that out real quick. Use Echo. Okay, so you click on Use Echo, which tells you make sure there's at least one that supports Amazon Echo, which should be that. Modify name that the Echo easily recognize, such as living room. Okay, so I have a bar outlet set up. 3, use Alexa app to computer. Set up Echo in settings. Add skill in the Alexa app. Enable Tuya Smart.
I can't find that skill.
Okay.
To find skills, go to the skills section of the Alexa.
Okay, let's try it again. Computer, add Tuya Smart skill. Oh, let's try it again. Oh, computer, add the Tuya Smart skill. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do this manually. So let me just do that real quick. Let me pause it and come back in. Okay, now when you go into Alexa and you type in Tuya Smart, as you can see, bang, it pops up. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that. Bam, enable. So now that it's enabled, I'll have to, it tells me to sign in. So now I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Bam. To continue, close this window and discover devices, blah, blah, blah. So now I should be able to control it with the just by saying. So right now, let's go back to the app. Okay, I added the skill, control your device by saying ask Alexa to discover devices. After 20 seconds, discover, and it will tell you blah. Okay, so let's, computer, discover devices.
Starting discovery. This will take up to 20 seconds.
Okay.
If you haven't already, please enable the smart home skill for your smart device from the Alexa app.
Okay, I already did.
Discovery is complete. I found 19 smart home devices. If your Philips bulbs were not discovered, please press the button on the bridge and rerun discovery.
Okay, let's just try to give it a command and see if it works. Okay, right now, as you can see, we're still on. Let me go ahead and turn it off. Bam, it's off. So then now I'm going to give it a command to turn on. Computer, turn on bar outlet. Bam! Alexa enabled. How you like me now?
Okay.
Computer, turn off bar outlet.
Okay.
Bam. So, as you can see, it works just like it said it would. This is a definite get. I can't express enough how simple that was. You know, a few steps, bam, you all set up. I just showed you how to do it. So definitely cop this. This is the Greewe, Greewe. That's spelled Golf, Romeo, Echo, Echo, Whiskey, Echo. Smart outlet with the little USB on the side, bong. And I can't express it enough. I believe it's like 12, 13 bucks. Cop a couple of those, put them all over your house. You get 2-in-1 with outlets, control a couple things. You know how we get down. So with that being said, I'm That.Nez, and this has been the official review of the Greewe Smart Outlet. I'm Dat.Nez. Computer, turn on the bar outlet.
Okay.
And I'm out this piece.